So, the other day, I was pondering on life, and I was wondering, what is the point? And then I realized that maybe there isn't a point, and I got really worried, and I thought that maybe this really is just a ball of rock circling around the sun, and nothing really means anything. And it really upset me. So I thought that I'd make a Facebook video, because that will add meaning to my life, and that will make me feel like I have a purpose, and I'm more than just a carbon-based life form with DNA that's coded through my parents, and like I'm an individual. I mean, I know there's like billions of people on the planet, and technically, statistically, I'm not actually very individual at all, but you know, if I make this video, nobody else has made this video before, and so I thought it might make me special. But maybe it won't. Maybe it will just make me another person crying out in internet land, because none of us really know what the meaning of life is, and that's what we've got the internet for. Instead of a meaning, we have the World Wide Web. And that upsets me too, because I guess it means that the meaning of life is cats. I guess that makes sense. Maybe we should worship cats. We could start a church, a sort of pause for religion, and it would be perfect. And we could all sit there and lick ourselves. Maybe that's not the best idea ever. Maybe it's dogs.